This is one of my new favourite things that we've got. So we've just looked at edge bevelers, and this does exactly that. This will bevel both edges of a belt or a strap at the same time. So it is adjustable, comes with all the bits you need to adjust it. You can bolt it down to a bench as well if you need to. So what you do is you unscrew this bit, slide it across, use the measure on the inside, and set it at what it is. Apparently you can get replaceable blades, so if we can just see, so we can get the light. So we can just see in there, see where the light is shining here. So that is the cutting edge, and there's one on each side. Little ejection holes here. So you put it down this way, feed your belt in, pull, and as you pull, it'll shoot the straps out the side. Luckily, we've got one here that we can work with. If this was bolted down, this would be easier to do. I've got bad thumbs. Let me just start this off. There we go. So let's pretend that this is bolted down. All we're going to do is pull. And there we have a beautifully edge beveled strap in no time at all. All the waist is nice and easy to pick up. Fully adjustable, can bolt it down. Is a little bit heavy, which is good. It's a solid piece. Is it worth the money? Yes. How much was it? Can't remember. I think sort of 20 or 30 pounds. If you are doing any sort of strap work, I would recommend this. Absolutely adjustable. So apparently you can get replacement blades for in here. Use these retentions, take them out, whatever. I didn't find any on the place I ordered them from, but you know, get in touch with the manufacturer, just do a bit of Googling, I'm sure you'll find some. If you've got somewhere dedicated that you can bolt this into your workbench or get a clamp on it, or I mean, 2 clamps are better. But would recommend one of these. Am I keeping it? Yes. Am I using it? Yes. Since I got it out and I tested it, I've left it out. So would recommend, especially if you're doing straps.